There are better ways to keep cool. Call KS Services and receive a new Bryant unit with no payments and no interest for 18 months. Stay cool now and pay later. Visit callks.com for more.
Here's your weather video for this Sunday, November 22nd. I'm meteorologist Bill Murray. Saturday was a beautiful day across Alabama. Not going to have days like that for a while across the area. Cold front this morning showing up near Little Rock, low pressure over southern Illinois, western Kentucky. And that front will bring cooler conditions, a chance of showers to Alabama, but not much in the way of moisture across the state. As you can see from the HRRR here, a few showers work their way into northwestern and north Alabama late this afternoon, push their way down to the Tennessee Valley, but weakening as they go. So we'll call for diminishing chances of showers. Front reaching the I-59 corridor after sunset tonight. You'll see some gusty northwesterly winds after that through the overnight hours into the morning. It'll be colder. Overnight lows on Monday morning between 38 and 43 degrees across the area, but no frost or any problems like that, at least for Sunday night. Now, Monday, it looks like high pressure will be in charge of our weather. Mostly sunny skies will return. It'll be much cooler, breezy during the morning. We'll see afternoon highs near 60 degrees on average, 58 up north, 62 to 64 degrees down to the south. You'll see that north wind at about 12 miles an hour, gusting to about 18 miles an hour during the morning, diminishing after lunch. Now, I think we'll see some frost Monday night across much of the northern half of the state. Overnight lows dropping into the upper 30s. Some of the normally colder valleys in North Alabama will see a light freeze. So we'll be watching to see if that is the case. But 32 to 38 will be the average low for Tuesday morning. That our frosty start on Tuesday, though, gives way to a pretty nice day. Partly cloudy skies, afternoon highs in the lower to middle 60s. We'll probably see some increasing clouds overnight as this next system begins to move in. Now, this is a big travel day. Lots of folks traveling by car, so they're probably already, a lot of them, on the way to grandmother's house, wherever they're going for the Thanksgiving holiday. Not as many people flying, but if you are flying on Tuesday, you can see the middle part of the country will be where we have problems. Then by Wednesday, this is Wednesday noon off the GFS, low pressure approaching Chicago, another frontal system near Little Rock, moving toward Alabama, showers and thunderstorms pushing into the state during the day, but again, they're going to be weakening. I can't find much evidence that these storms are going to be strong to severe. Very low levels of CAPE, 200 to 300 joules per kilogram. Good bit of shear. There will be a very strong low-level jet by Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday evening. So if we do get higher instability than is contemplated by the models, we could see stronger storms. But we'll keep an eye on that. But for right now, we're not too worried about that. This moves on through south of I-59 after midnight. Most of the showers out of the way by morning. And then Thanksgiving Day should be a day of clearing skies, cooler conditions. Well, not really cooler. I think we'll be mild, 64 to 68 degrees across the area after overnight lows Thursday morning around 48. We'll see a northwesterly wind gusting at times to about 18 miles an hour, but it should be a fairly nice day on Thursday with partly cloudy sky most of the day. Now, Friday, partly cloudy during the day, increasing clouds overnight. Chance for shower toward morning as this next system gets organized. We'll see afternoon highs in the middle 60s. And then Saturday, we begin to worry about the Iron Bowl. Showers moving into western Alabama fairly early in the morning and persisting through the morning hours into the afternoon, sort of increasing as we go through the day. Low pressure begins to develop over Louisiana, and then the main activity begins to get organized to our west, especially on Sunday, the low moving in out of Missouri into Illinois. Heavy rain, thunderstorms from Louisiana up into Mississippi that we'll have to deal with. This system moving into Alabama Sunday night. Now, I don't think we'll have strong to severe storms here, but I think we will deal with storms for sure, and some fairly decent rainfall amounts, not the same amounts that we'll see over Mississippi. You can see turning sharply colder behind the system, possibly some snow over the upper Midwest there Sunday. That will not be good for folks returning and might bear watching if you have to return home from any of these places or go through these areas over the weekend as you're returning home from any holiday travel that you have. This is Monday. That low really wrapping up there over southern Lake Michigan. Possibly a good bit of snow there over Illinois. Most of the storms rain on to the east of us. We're colder, though. We probably won't get out of the 50s on Monday. This is precipitation off the GFS showing some impressive amounts to the west of us over Mississippi. 5 to 7 inch amounts there in central Mississippi. That could be interesting. Here in Alabama, not too bad for us. Areas generally the north of I-59, somewhere between 3 and 5 inches. That's not too shabby. We'll have to watch out for flooding. Areas to the southeast more like 1 to 3 inches. And we'll be watching for that possibility. These are temperatures off the National Blend of Models showing those lower 70s today. We'll be back near 60 on Monday, middle to upper 60s through most of the week, touching 70 on Friday before we cool down with the clouds and showers for Saturday and Sunday. And then a real cool down for that following week. We'll see some lows in the 30s and afternoon highs in the 50s. Go out toward the end of the period off the GFS. This is Sunday night or Saturday night, December the 5th. Showing another system in the southerly branch of the jet stream, giving us some showers here in Alabama. But it looks like all liquid and should be fairly mild at that point. Well, that's your weather video for this 22nd of November. Hope you have a great holiday week. I'll be back next Sunday with this forecast. Till then, James will be here for 2 days tomorrow, and Scott will be here next Saturday. And until I see you again, as I always tell you, keep an eye to the sky because you'll always have something fun to look at.
Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.